can see. Now she hopefully will be more submissive. They love the morning preenings. Especially her, she loves it. And now she's complaining. There's Tako over there. She's running away from her, but she's too bitey. So what are you gonna do, huh? What are you gonna do? She won't go on my finger yet, but she'll go on my chopstick. Chopstick? Up. Good girl. Good girl. Where do you want to go, huh? Tako? You want to go with Tako? Go. Look, he doesn't like it anymore. Chasing. She's so dominant, look at that. They're fighting over the space on my finger. She just likes him so much, see? And he wants to run away. Oh, poor thing. Oh no, ouch, ouch. Whoa, okay, well she's gone. Poor Tako, huh? It's okay, good boy. She's just such a mad girl. Mad woman, huh? Mad woman? Yes? Mad woman. Not tamed yet, have to tame her. Let's put them together and see what happens. They're just chasing each other basically. Because he's tired of getting too much preening, you know. Teaching Tako bad habits, huh? She's biting the sofa. So naughty, huh? And then she's biting Tako. Tako's never like this, huh? You know what I'm talking about. What's wrong, huh? Look, she's pecking off the sofa, and he's like, uh-oh. Doesn't want it anymore. Playtime, isn't it? She loves to play, and he just wants to sit. They were fighting over this food before. And Tako wasn't allowed to eat because Kiri ate everything. Look at that. Look at the aggression. Okay, now when I put it down, she'll take over. Eventually. Let's see. Come on. Doesn't like the rocket. Tastes funny, eh? Oh, at least Tako gets to eat. He doesn't like his tail. It's kind of weird, always underneath him, his bum or something. Hmm? There we go, devouring it together. There you go. Closer. You see my playpen I made for them. Lots of random stuff, but they're just only interested in food.